Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here, because today we're diving into a topic that's close to home, literally. Whether you're a design enthusiast or just someone who wants their space to feel a little more inviting, this video is for you. Today we're tackling those sneaky living room mistakes that even the most passionate design lovers can accidentally make. You might not even realize you're making them, but trust me, we've all been there at some point. Sometimes, it's the little things that can make a big difference in how your space looks and feels. Living rooms are the heart of our homes. They're where we unwind after a long day, binge watch our favorite shows, host friends for game night, or simply enjoy a quiet cup of coffee. Because we spend so much time here, it's only natural to want our living rooms to be both beautiful and functional, a place that truly reflects our personality and lifestyle. But here's the thing. Sometimes, it's the simplest details, like choosing a rug that's too small for the space, relying on just one harsh overhead light, or hanging art at the wrong height, that can throw off the entire vibe. Maybe your furniture is pushed up against the walls, or your decor feels a bit mismatched. These little missteps can make your living room feel less cozy, less stylish, and less you. The good news? All of these mistakes are super easy to fix. With just a few simple tweaks, like rearranging your furniture, layering your lighting, or adding a larger area rug, you can totally transform your space without spending a fortune or starting from scratch. In this video, I'll break down 10 of the most common living room mistakes I see all the time, and I'll show you exactly how to solve them, quickly and painlessly. Whether you're a renter or a homeowner, these tips will help you create a living room that feels intentional, comfortable, and totally put together. So, grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's work together to create a living room you truly love. A space that welcomes you home every single day. Ready to get started? Let's jump in. Let's start with a classic decorating mistake, pushing all your furniture against the walls. It's something almost everyone has done at some point, thinking it's the best way to make a room feel bigger and more open. The logic seems sound. By clearing the center of the room, you imagine you're maximizing floor space and creating a sense of openness. But in reality, this approach can actually have the opposite effect. When you push every piece of furniture to the edges, you end up with a big empty space in the middle that feels awkward and uninviting. The room can start to resemble a waiting area or a dance hall, cold, disconnected, and lacking any sense of intimacy. Instead of feeling spacious, the room feels unfinished and even a bit lonely, as if the furniture is avoiding each other. A much better approach is to pull your sofa and chairs in from the walls and arrange them to create a cozy conversation zone. Think about how people naturally gather, face to face, close enough to talk comfortably. By grouping your seating in the center of the room, you create a natural focal point and a welcoming area for friends and family to connect. This arrangement instantly makes the space feel warmer and more inviting. Even if your room is on the smaller side, don't worry. You don't need to pull everything dramatically into the center. Sometimes, just moving your sofa or chairs a few inches away from the wall can make a huge difference. This subtle shift adds depth and dimension to the room, making it feel more thoughtfully designed and less like everything was just pushed out of the way. To further define your seating area, anchor your setup with a rug or a coffee table in the center. A rug helps visually group the furniture together, creating a sense of unity and purpose. The coffee table acts as a functional centerpiece, perfect for holding drinks, books, or decorative items, and it encourages people to gather around. This kind of layout feels much more inviting and encourages real connection. People are naturally drawn to spaces that feel cozy and intentional, where conversation flows easily and everyone feels included. It's amazing how a simple change in furniture placement can transform the entire mood of a room. Don't be afraid to experiment with different arrangements, even if your living room is small or has an unusual shape. Try angling your chairs, floating your sofa, or creating multiple conversation zones if you have the space. Move things around until you find a setup that feels right for your lifestyle and the way you use the room. If you're working with a compact space, consider using smaller scale pieces. Petite sofas, armless chairs, or even a pair of ottomans can be grouped intentionally to create a functional and stylish seating area. The key is to make every piece feel like it belongs, rather than just filling empty corners. Remember, your living room should feel purposeful and welcoming, not like a sterile waiting room. Thoughtful furniture placement is one of the easiest ways to make your space feel like home, inviting you and your guests to relax, connect, and enjoy every moment spent there. Next up, let's talk about one of the most common mistakes people make when decorating their living rooms: choosing a rug that's simply too small for the space. It might seem like a minor detail, but the size of your rug can have a huge impact on the overall look and feel of your room. When your rug is too small, it can make even the most beautifully decorated living room feel disconnected, awkward, and unfinished. The furniture can look like it's floating, and the space may feel sparse or even a bit cold. A rug that doesn't fit the scale of your room can break up the flow and make the area feel less inviting. Instead of tying your furniture together, a small rug can actually highlight the gaps and make the room feel smaller than it really is. To create a cohesive and welcoming space, your rug should be large enough so that at least the front legs of your sofa and chairs rest comfortably on it. This simple guideline helps anchor your seating area and visually connects all the pieces of furniture, making the room feel unified and thoughtfully designed. When in doubt, always go bigger than you think you need. For most living rooms, an 8x10 or even a 9x12 rug works best. These sizes ensure that your rug extends beyond the edges of your furniture, creating a generous, luxurious look that instantly elevates the space. If a large rug isn't in your budget, don't worry, there's a clever solution. Try layering a smaller decorative rug over a larger, more affordable neutral rug. This not only saves money, but also adds texture and visual interest to your living room. A well-sized rug truly anchors your space, pulling all the elements together and making your living room feel complete, cozy, and inviting. It's the foundation that sets the tone for the entire room. So don't be afraid to go big with your rug choice. The right size can transform your living room from disjointed to designer-worthy, making it a place where everyone wants to gather and relax. Mixing warm and cool light bulbs can make your living room feel off. Stick to one color temperature, ideally 2700K to 3000K, for a warm, inviting vibe. Gradually swap out bulbs as needed for a cohesive look. Warm light is best for living spaces and makes everything feel more harmonious. It's a small tweak, but it transforms the mood of your room. Relying only on overhead lights can make your living room feel harsh and flat. Layer your lighting with table lamps, floor lamps, or wall sconces for depth and warmth. Use different heights and intensities for reading, relaxing, or entertaining. Try a floor lamp behind a chair or a table lamp on a sideboard. Even battery-operated sconces work for renters. Layered lighting instantly makes your space more inviting. Hanging curtains right at the window edge makes your windows and room look smaller. Mount rods wider and higher than the window to draw the eye up and out. Curtains that skim the floor look luxe and make the room feel bigger. Even renters can use tension rods or stick-on brackets for this quick upgrade. Clutter creeps in fast, making your living room feel cramped. Edit ruthlessly. Keep only what you use or love. Use baskets or boxes to hide remotes, blankets, or toys. Leave some breathing room on shelves and surfaces for a lighter feel. Decluttering makes your favorite pieces stand out and your space feel calm. Don't forget your vertical space. Add floating shelves, tall bookcases, or hanging plants to draw the eye up. A gallery wall that extends upward adds movement and style. Mix shelf heights or stagger art for interest. Using vertical space makes your living room feel bigger and more dynamic. Hanging art too high or low throws off your room's balance. Hang artwork so the center is about 57–60 inches from the floor, eye level for most. Above a sofa, aim for 6 to 8 inches above the top. Use painter's tape to test placements and step back to check the look. If your living room feels flat, it's probably missing texture. Layer in chunky throws, velvet pillows, woven baskets, or plants for coziness. Mix soft and hard materials, like a fluffy rug with a sleek table. Even curtains and lampshades can add subtle texture. Texture makes your space feel lived in and inviting. Matching everything can make your living room feel sterile. Mix things up. Pair your sofa with chairs in a different fabric or color. Add vintage finds or a unique accent chair for personality. Even small changes, like a non-matching coffee table, break up the monotony. Your living room should tell your story, not look like a showroom. That's it. 10 common living room mistakes and how to fix them. Even small tweaks can make your space feel fresh and intentional. Design is about experimenting and making your home work for you. Share your favorite tips or aha moments in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.